Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. Hello. I always make like the weirdest intros. I know, I'm sorry. Anyways, today, actually, let me just start by saying we are in September. October is around the corner, and what better way to start celebrating Halloween early? Well, for me, Halloween is all year, but start celebrating Halloween earlier and also start preparing for your costumes, for your cosplay, for anything that has to do with Halloween. And today I'm coming to you with another video of makeup. But this one is going to be, I'm going to be talking about the rigid collidium, if I pronounced that correctly. If I didn't, I'm so sorry. My first language is Spanish, and there's not even an actual word for this product. But this is the rigid collidium, okay? The rigid collidium, you can actually find it on any website. If you search for it, you're going to be able to find it. This one specifically, I bought it from Etsy. I will try to look for the seller, and this was a long time ago. So I bought it maybe, I would say, maybe like a year ago, and I still have it. It's crazy that I haven't even done a video about it, but I just want to spread my knowledge as far as how to use it, how to take it off, the best way to use it, because the way I use it, I haven't, there's a lot of, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos out there on how to use rigid collidium, but this is the way I do it, and I love how it always turns out. I'm going to give you my little tips and tricks of how to use it better. That's one of the reasons why I come to you with a bare face. Okay, so rigid collidium, it is something that is used a lot. It gives you the effect of, it tightens your skin, and it gives you the effect of you having like a scar, you have something on your skin. Now, there's ways to apply this liquid. Now, my suggestion, and I've seen, a lot of makeup artists that do apply it, this product, to be exact, you should put it where you have a little bit more loose skin, or there's like it can pick up, because if you put it in a flat surface, it doesn't get so tight. You know what I mean? Trying to explain it the best way possible. But anyways, I will show you how to apply it, and I will show you how I do it to make a scar. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start with it. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bit closer because I want to do my cheek. Okay, so I'm going to be looking down because I have the mirror here. But anyway, so my suggestion when you're applying rigid collidium, try to have a bare face. Wash your face. Don't put anything on it. No primer, no cream, no nothing. This is something that when you're going to be removing it, you can just peel it off. What I do is I usually just wash my face with warm water, and that loosens it up, and then you just go ahead and peel it. Side note, if you have a lot of baby hairs, I do, but I shave my baby hairs. But if you have that peach fuzz, they call it peach fuzz. So if you have a lot of hairs on your face, make sure that you do it like I said. Go and, wash your face with warm water and then softly peel it off, because otherwise it will pull your hairs. This is not like latex, but it will pull your hairs like latex. So you got to be very careful if you don't want to pull your hairs in your face, or you want to cause any kind of irritation. This, obviously, like anything else that you put on your face, use it on a small part. I would suggest maybe like your arm. See how your skin reacts to it. Okay, see how your skin reacts to it, and then you go ahead and apply it to your face or the desired area where you want to create a scar. So you need the rigid collidium. Okay, rigid collidium. The other thing you're going to need is, and this one you can do whatever you want. Today I'm going to be using this liner. It's a pencil liner by Steve Laurent. It is a lip liner. I rarely use it for my lips. I use it for the scars because the color you know, the scar that we're going for is mostly like a healing scar, like it's, you know, a scar. There you go. So it's got to look like it's healing, and it healed, but it just left you with that, you know, mark on the face. So first, I'm going to line on my face where I want the scar. So what I was thinking about, I'm going to do like a scar right here, and maybe do one on my forehead, and maybe on my chin. I just got to see where I'm going with it. But I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, so first I'm going to trace a line where I want the scar to be. So I'm going to trace it right here. I'm going to go. My suggestion is to like do shapes where it looks like the skin is folding on top of the scar. I don't know if that's the right explanation, but yeah. So you do draw the line where you wanted it to be. Okay, let me just do it like this. This could be like someone hit me with something or something like that. So let's do it like that, okay? So we traced a line, okay? And we're going to start with this one, okay? So this one's going to be a little bit of a, I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to let it sit there for a while so you can see how it works. So once you draw exactly where you want it to be, you grab the rigid collidium. You could use any brush for it, but I'm going to use the same one that comes in here, which is this little thing. This smells really powerful, so be careful with your eyes and your nose. So we're going to go ahead and apply right on top of the line that you just did. Just go over that same line. Okay, so the trick of rigid collidium, it's you have to keep on adding layers to it. The more layers you put, the deeper it's going to be. So once you apply it, you're going to start feeling that tingly, like it's pulling. This product, I have to admit, this product is pretty amazing. I really do like it. If you learn how to use it, you're going to have so much fun with it. Let me tell you. So the product is already pulling my skin. Later in the video, I'm going to do like a side look of it, and you're going to be able to see how deep it looks on my skin. So yeah, we're just going to let it dry. Suggestion, like I said earlier, first do the lines, because if you do it on top of it after, you might, you know, mess with the process of it like shrinking and pulling your skin. So just draw whatever you want and then add the product on top. So that one is already looking a lot deeper. Let me see if I can show you there. I'm going to try to do a close-up. Let me see. There it is. It looks sideways. You can see how it is. It looks deeper now. Okay, cool. Don't look at my hairs. Anyways, okay, so we have that one. It is starting to dry, so it's pulling the skin. But you know what? I want it a little bit more deep. So we're going to go ahead and add another layer. I added another layer, so we're going to go ahead and let that dry. And I'm going to draw here on my chin. When you're doing something like this, you have to make sure of exactly what kind of design you want before you do it, because that way you don't waste product and you already achieve what you're looking to do. So I did a line right there. Okay, now I'm going to put it there on my chin where I drew the line. First layer. And we're going to let that dry. Now, while that one's drying, you see that this one's already deep. You can see it there on the skin. This product is amazing. So, what do you do next? Since this one has already dried, I go over with it with the liner, or you can use any color you want. So that way it looks a little deeper, and it also kills a little bit of the shine. You can powder it a little bit. Don't go too crazy with it because this product works by itself fine. So I'm going to go ahead and make a line right here where the product is. Yep. So we have that scar there. This scar, I would say, kind of looks like either someone like hit me with something, with a broken bottle or whatever, and the look I'm going for is mostly like a battle scar, so it's not like a bar fight. This is more like a battlefield, and the battle is over, and this is what I was left a week after, since they didn't have no stitches or nothing. It just healed by itself, so it's starting to heal by itself, and the skin is like tightening up and trying to go back to its original form and creating new skin. So yeah, now the rigid collidium, it does come with like a remover, but if you don't want to purchase the remover, do like I said, just go ahead and wash your face with warm water and remove it, peeling it off. It will come off easily. Like I said again, remember, if you have peach fuzz on your face, make sure that you do what I said, because otherwise it will pull your hairs and you're going to hate it. Just so you know. But yeah, rigid collidium, I will post the information on the description box of where I got it. But if you've never heard of this product before, you're missing out. Because if you want to do like some kind of cosplay that has scars, and you don't want to, and you don't know, or you don't have the budget to, you know, buy prosthetics for a scar, then you can just go ahead and do this. It's gonna look fine. Try not to move your face too much, because if you move your face too much, it's going to like crack. So yeah, anyway, so this one over here, you see, you can actually put blood in it if you want. I wouldn't suggest it if you just don't want to do the scar. Just leave it like that. It looks cute. It looks amazing. Anyways, so hope that you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this product, and I hope you guys like my description, even though it's not the best description ever. I'm still working on my words and how to say stuff, but yeah, I would recommend this if you're looking to do some Halloween costumes, some scars, anything like that. You can achieve with this. It is cheap. I will let you know how much I paid for this one specifically, but I think you can find it for like $11, even less. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Leave a thumbs up, give me some likes, comment on the comment section, show me some love, and share my videos. Hey, maybe this helped you, and maybe this will help someone else. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I appreciate every single watch, every single view, every single like, every single subscribe that you guys do. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.